everybody, good evening. We're here in our place and we just met our friend and we're just preparing some barbecue and Arabic food, the biryani. So you can take a look in the background.
This is biryani.
Yes. That is the biryani.
So many chicken,
Chicken.
so many rice.
Yeah.
What name of this rice?
Basmati, Indian.
Indian rice.
Yeah. You can find it in the cell.
So you bought this in the center.
Yeah. See.
Huh?
No worry. No worry.
It's not spicy.
Not spicy. This is. It's not spicy.
Shaira?
Hi.
Hi. Сергей prepare now. Hi, Shaira.
Hi. So, one of our subscriber, David, asking, it's our friend already. Yeah, he asking about the girl
Bamban.
from Bamban. So, she is the one.
You live in Bamban. It's your place in Bamban.
Yes, this is our friend. Our friend.
For you, it's not easy to transportation to not easy.
Yeah.
Easy or
It's
easy.
easy.
Easy. Have tricycle or
Yeah,
how you
definitely.
a jeepney from Bamban to Balaka to Angeles.
Yeah.
How long time you travel from your place?
Maybe 1 hour if it's rush hour.
One hour from Dab.
Yeah.
From Dab for example to Angeles.
To Angeles.
To Angeles 1 hour.
If rush hour.
If rush hour. If don't have, if morning or if not rush hour, for example, if
30
don't have
minutes.
traffic, 30 minutes.
But how much is it? 30? Magkano kasi kayo? 30 pesos.
30 peso tax
On
ticket.
Bamban,
ticket.
yeah.
The fee
Uh-huh.
from the jeepney.
Okay.
So, but I remember this time the total of fee in jeepney is 13 pesos. Before it's 12 pesos.
1 peso more now.
One more pesos.
Okay. Shaira, okay. When you want to remove Shaira?
Maybe after 1 month.
After 1 month?
Uh-uh.
You what 1 month you not clean plates, you cannot clean
I
home.
can clean, but it's not easy. Like I'm getting monster if I not easy to remove my.
Okay, I will check how I cook. Ali already cooked.
Wow. There you go.
Yeah. So many.
It's now-
How many people can eat?
That's one, maybe 20.
Pamela, take a look. Ali cook
What is that? Maybe 20.
for 20 person maybe.
Wow.
What name?
You miss
The process?
You miss the process. That's
No,
it.
I have video. You can watch later.
Okay.
Yeah, you miss the process. They bring me the. Let me see.
Hi. Good?
You can't taste it.
No, later. Arabian people also can eat hand.
Yeah.
Use hand.
Yeah, just like this one. Like
Because
this.
Filipino also can
Yeah,
use.
like this one and
Ah.
eat it. You don't use one. But it's okay. That
But
one.
in my country.
No, cannot.
Yeah,
cannot.
Yes.
But that's one. I will show you now.
The Georgi will start to
Yes.
prepare barbecue. Shaira, where Shaira? Shaira also. Where you been, Shaira?
We bought some
Ice cream.
ice cream. Small ice cream.
Ice cream.
Sia. Yes. Sia. Here's your slippers.
There we go.
Because rain before.
Slippers. Sia.
Before rain and we put tent.
It's not basmati rice, really. It's
Different.
Not, yeah, different. Not basmati rice because I know basmati
That's
rice.
kay tita. That's kay tita.
They are cheating. They are not basmati rice, really.
Big gawin to.
It's not basmati rice. Everybody have dish now.
Ano
Eat.
sa'yo mo kay tita? Anong
Yeah.
siya?
Okay, Shaira.
Yeah, everybody eat.
Ano?
Can eat.
Ali said can eat already. You
Can eat
prepare.
already?
You wear your slippers.
Marana iya kayo kanyan. Eh, na kayo gamitan. Marana mo.
This is from Thailand. I bought before. You can try. It's okay. You can talk today too. It's okay.
She understand? She
Yes,
understand?
yes, she understands. But in home hot, better outside. Outside is fresh air. Before rain, need to eat.
I just wait for my dad only because they take shower.
Shaira clean. Shaira cannot clean now with hand, only leg, his leg.
Also, my sister have also like this.
Same. You have now also same? Can I see?
I'm the one who put that one. Her.
So how you clean in home? How you change clothes? Who help
Like the
you?
normal.
Nice. You already know how, but Shaira don't know. She
Because
asking
it's my
she
second
asking
day.
for me.
It's just her first time
Uh,
having this kind of.
I think it's first and last, Shaira, not me.
It's first 1 month only.
And last.
Yes. Not easy for me.
Pamela, one subscriber asking you about from Las Vegas. In Las Vegas, she want to meet with you like this. Can you explain about you? You have already boyfriend Filipina, yes?
Yes.
So you cannot. You already how to say? Not single. Not single.
You're not single, but
I am single, but I am living with a partner.
Live alone.
Not yet married.
Not married. Mhm. Okay.
I'm married.
You're married.
Yeah, I'm certificated married. But I have disagreed with my wife still. Fighting.
until right now,
Until tomorrow.
until tomorrow.
And the other day.
What is this? Show me. It's ice cream. You like ice cream? So many ice cream, not good maybe. First need eat rice with meat maybe.
But she can sing.
Can sing? Ну later have karaoke. We have karaoke. This is karaoke. Yes.
But you don't like I
Speaker.
said to you I want to sing before.
Who's the father?
He's downstairs.
Huh?
He's downstairs.
Downstairs.
Yeah.
Filipina?
But he come
But
to
she's
eat
half
also.
Japan.
Huh?
Half Japanese.
What's his nationality?
Filipino.
That's it. What is half? The most important is nationality. Like me.
This is my sister. You know, I already did.
Yeah. Granddaughter of mine, my friend.
Granddaughter.
Ay, tapos sabihan mo kung
See?
What is this? Red.
Pepper.
Paper.
Red pepper. Sweet.
Pepper, red
Sweet
pepper.
pepper.
Sweet.
Yeah. But that one, it's not the real basmati rice, really. It's not the real rice basmati. That's not the real one. That is not. But it's okay. It's a food.
Napon, kasi may ako kami napon. Yan eh. Dapat ikin na napon. Eh, pati iki. Pintala na yung pang namoras.
Georgi already prepare meat.
The rice is not original. We are using. They say basmati, but it's not basmati. No, not original. Basmati Indian, no.
Not easy, Shaira, with cat nails.
Yes, that's
Show how you do.
Huh? Like this, I need to cover my ears.
Lighting always and thunder. I hope not start rain again. Before big rain here. Pamela help to prepare salad.
Are you going to eat this big one? Like this
They
one?
can eat full.
Yes, but it's salad.
Yeah, salad. Our chicken already a little bit bigger. Okay, won't go outside. This chicken. It's a rustler, small rustler. They are hungry. Hungry. Are we always hungry?
Don't worry.
Oh, start rain.
But she's nice.
Already
She's
start
okay.
rain.
It's
This is
T72.
Not like that.
already rain.
I know.
We prepare barbecue.
EMP, the soldiers inside.
Not inside, in
Show me. I know.
Pamela, you can eat outside. Already we prepare. We have Imperador if you want.
I don't drink emperador.
Filipino style. Philippine people like eating the floor. It's not problem, yeah?
I sleep here because I'm
It's comfortable in the floor, really?
comfortable to eat in a.
And using hands. Yes, when you eat, you use hands.
Use hands.
Yes.
Saturday morning. Check out 12 o'clock.
Hi everybody. We want to find our cat because last night our cat hide from right from the rain, maybe under the car. But last night I not park my car here. I park another car park here. That's why maybe he hide in the another car. Cat in another house. We don't know. Yes, cat. I see cat inside the house already. Yes, inside the house. Shaira have key from another house. Take a look here. No, he inside. Inside. Outside. Shaira, slowly.
She's scared of...
Yes, he afraid because... Wait. Okay, cat now go home. So many foods, take a look, so many foods for you, so many.
Kain na, Ming. You can put inside the home. Because she's scared of the thunder. And what is this?
Shaira today fall down. How you feeling today, Shaira?
Pain.
Pain. Not need hospital.
Pain. I cannot up already. And here. Until here, pain.
Okay, you stay in home and not go outside.